Good morning, my dear students. I am Mitali Bhardwaj and welcome you again in the video of the chapter number 3, that is fiber to fabric. Means we are going to study fiber to fabric, that is the third chapter of our NCERT book. In this chapter, we will learn many interesting facts about the fibers, about the clothes which we actually wear. Here is a introduction. So let's see. You can see a wardrobe, and in the wardrobe what you will see, there are different kinds of clothes. Some are woolen clothes, some are synthetic clothes, some are cotton clothes, of course. Can you imagine what kind of fiber are basically used in making of such kind of clothes? So let's study about it. If we are using different fabric, different fibers will be used, of course. So we will learn about all these things in the video. Here we are going to study the objectives. In the last of the lesson, we will be able to define the fiber and the different type of fiber. We will discuss the process of separating fiber from the plants, and we will understand the different steps of formation of the yarn from the fiber. Explain the knitting and weaving of the fabric. Next, we will study about the history. In the picture, you can see there are two ancient type of people. Yes. So what we can conclude? We can conclude that in the ancient time there were no fibers or no fabrics. If there were no fibers, obviously there will be no fabrics. So what they used to wear at that time? The people of the ancient time used to wear the feathers of the animals, or we can say the skin of the animals, and the leaves. Of course, you can see one person is covering his body with the leaves and the other person is using the skin of the animal. In this way, the people of the ancient time uses different plants. Basically, they also use strands, they also use they use different type of plants to do their different kind of work. They are using the twigs also, you can see, because the fibers were not available at that time, or we can say its discovery was not there. Now we will study the fiber. In this picture you can see I have taken a piece of cloth. If we will see that piece of cloth very closely, what you will see? You will see many kind of threads have been used to make a single piece of cloth, and it is clear from this yellow piece of cloth. And if we will closely see that, we will see different threads, and these different threads are called the strands. And if these strands are taken singly, individually, and what I am doing, I am pressing that strand from one side, and we will see that single strand is also made up of different strands. These are called the fiber. And yes, you can see the fiber are of two types. One is natural fiber and next is artificial fiber. What are the different kind of natural fiber? Cotton, jute, flax, coir, hemp. All these are the natural fiber. Why they are natural? Because they are obtained from the plants. Cocoon silkworm, wool is obtained from sheep, from goat, from rabbit, from yak, or of course from camel. Now we will study the artificial fiber. Artificial fiber are also called man-made fiber or the synthetic fibers. It means they are composed of mixing of many natural fibers along with the chemicals, and hence the human beings have made the synthetic fiber. And you all know the synthetic fiber are never advised to wear during the working in the kitchen. Here are some examples of artificial fibers: rayon, nylon, polyester, and many more. So till the artificial fiber we have studied in this video, and the rest of the chapter we will study in our next video. Hope you all have got it. You just study it carefully. Thank you, students.